जी बस जैसा कि आपको पता है तहसीलदार की जॉब्स अनाउंस हो चुकी हैं और इनकी प्रॉपर तैयारी के लिए जो बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू में एक पेपर है लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट, जिसमें रेवेन्यू लॉस से मुतल्लिक जो क्वेश्चन हैं वो आएंगे। तो इसमें से ये जो आप देख सकते हैं, इसमें पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट 1967 है, पंजाब टेनेंसी एक्ट 1887 है और लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 1894 है। बाकी जो ब्रीफली है इसको हम, जो इनके एक्ट हैं, जो इनके रूल्स होते हैं और इनके जो सेक्शन है, यानी तीनों को हम इंशाल्लाह इसकी एक सीरीज़ स्टार्ट करेंगे इस चैनल पर। तो उसकी भी वीडियो हम अपलोड करेंगे। तो आज जो हमारी जो वीडियो है वो है लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट 1967 के जो इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं वो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं जी। सवाल नंबर 1 है, विच लैंड इज एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम द ऑपरेशन ऑफ द पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट। तो इसका सी जो आंसर है, लैंड ऑक्यूपाइज एज ए साइट ऑफ ए विलेज। सवाल नंबर 2 है जी, व्हाट इज द डेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर ईयर अंडर द पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट। तो इसका आंसर है जी सी जो फर्स्ट डे ऑफ जुलाई। सवाल नंबर 3 है, हु इज विलेज ऑफिसर अंडर द पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट। विलेज ऑफिसर कौन सा था? विलेज हेडमैन, जिसे हम नंबरदार भी कहते हैं। सवाल नंबर 4, हु इज द हाईएस्ट रेवेन्यू ऑफिसर अंडर द पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट। इसका आंसर है बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू। बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू जो हाईएस्ट रैंक है इसका। हु कैन अपॉइंट कलेक्टर ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट अंडर द पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट। तो इसका आंसर है जी गवर्नमेंट। डी जो आंसर है। Who can order withdraw of case pending before the executive district officer revenue under the Punjab Land Revenue Act। बी जो इसका आंसर है बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू। Who is empowered to another on any person the power of collector under the Punjab Land Revenue Act। तो आंसर इज एजोस गवर्नमेंट। सवाल नंबर 8 है जी, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम लिमिट ऑफ विलेज ऑफिसर chess to be imposed on any state under the Punjab Land Revenue Act। सी जो इसका आंसर है 5% of the land revenue। What is the included in the record of right of an state under the Punjab Land Revenue Act। तो बी जो आंसर है statement showing names of person who are landowner and their right in the land in their possession। सवाल नंबर 10 देख लेते हैं, हु इज empowered to issue notification directing the existing record of right for an estate to be specially revised under the Punjab Land Revenue Act। तो आंसर क्या है? बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू। Within how much period after acquisition of any right in land as a landowner one is required to make a report under the Punjab Land Revenue Act regarding acquisition of his right। तो आंसर है 1 month। डी जूस। सवाल नंबर 12, विच लैंड हेल्ड इन कॉमन कैन नॉट बी अलाउड बाय द रेवेन्यू ऑफिसर टू बी पार्टीशन अंडर द पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट। 20 जो इसका आंसर है एनी प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप और बोरियल ग्राउंड। सवाल नंबर 13, अ रेवेन्यू ऑफिसर इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरटेक मेजरमेंट ऑफ लैंड कैन। आंसर इज सी जोस इधर द प्रोमिसेस यूज फॉर ड्वेलिंग पर्पसेस विद द परमिशन ऑफ कलेक्टर। सवाल नंबर 14 देख लेते हैं जी, a notice issued by the court under the section 20 of the Land Acquisition Act shall be served upon। Answer is ages all the person interested in the objection। सवाल नंबर 15, the court while determining compensation shall not take the consideration। इसका जवाब है जी बी जोस the damage sustained by the person by reason of the acquisition injuriously affecting his other property। सवाल नंबर 16, who is empowered to issue preliminary notification under section 14 of the Land Acquisition Act to the effect that land in any locality need for a public purpose or for a company। Answer is collector of the district। सी जो आंसर है इसका। Who is empowered by the section of 5 of the Land Acquisition Act to issue notification to the effect that any particular land included in a locality notified under section 400 of the Act is needed for a public purpose. Answer is BJO's Executive District Officer Revenue. Sawal number 18. Who is empowered by Section 5 of the Land Acquisition Act issue notification to the effect that any particular land included in a locality notified under Section 4 of the Act is needed for a company? तो आंसर है इसका जी बीजोस कलेक्टर ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. सवाल नंबर 19. What is generally the date when agriculture year under the Punjab Tenancy Act commences? Answer is 16th day of June. Who can entertain and dispose of application for division of the produce between tenant and landlord where there is a dispute about the division of produce under the Punjab Tenancy Act? Answer is DJO's Board of Revenue. सवाल नंबर 21. What is the limitation for suit by landlord for a area of rent under the Punjab Tenancy Act? Answer is DJO's 1 year from the day rent becomes due. सवाल नंबर 22. Before who appeal lies against order of an assistant collector of the second grade under the Punjab Tenancy Act? Answer is collector. A revenue officer is required to make an order under subsection 6 of section 42 of the Land Revenue Act within 3 months. Answer is ages. An area of land revenue may be recovered by, answer is ages, by sale of the holding under section 88 of the Land Revenue. Sawal number 25. An application for the partition of a joint holding can be filled ages by a co-sharer. सवाल नंबर 26. A tenant and who has made improvement in his tenancy with the consent of the landlord is entitled to compensation at the time of his ejectment for. Answer is agent installing in tube well in the land. सवाल नंबर 27. An appeal under section 81 of the Tenancy Act to the collector can be filed. Answer is agents within 30 days of the order appealed against. सवाल नंबर 28. An application under section 17 of the Tenancy Act for the division or appraisement of produce in exclusively cognizable by a revenue officer having jurisdiction in the matter. सवाल नंबर 29. A share or partition of an estate held by one landowner or jointly by two or more landowner is, answer is CJO's holding. सवाल नंबर 30. Which of the following is not defined in the Land Revenue Act of 1967? जवाब है जी बीजस कानून गो. सवाल नंबर 31. There are how many classes of revenue officer as per section 7 of Land Revenue Act? Answer is बीजस 6. Who can summon person to give evidence and produce document? Answer is B. Board of Revenue. Who is authority to define the limits of any state holding or field for framing any record making assessment of revenue? Answer is CJO District Collector. A tenant having a right of occupancy in land may sublet the land fully or any part thereof for a period not more than. Answer is DJO 7 year. The land revenue rules were framed in 1988. A person liable of an area of land revenue has been homed by Land Revenue Act as, answer is DJO's defaulter. The Land Revenue Act is comprised how many sections? BJO's 184. A charge upon or a claim against land arising of a private grant or a contract is termed as encumbrance. सवाल नंबर 39. Which chapter of Land Revenue Act deals with the assessment of land revenue? Answer is BJO's. Within how many days landowner may present a petition to the revenue officer for a reconsideration amount from a consideration of assessment of revenue? CJO's 30 days. On which of the following reason Nambardar cannot be dismissed? CJO's property dispute with family member. सवाल नंबर 42. Which section Land Revenue Act deal with the preparation of computerized record? AJO's 41. Which document out of the following is not a part of periodical record. See the list of habitual defaulter. Who सवाल नंबर 44 who may pass order for preparation of register हकदारान ज़मीन if the same does not exist earlier. Answer is D. Board of Revenue. In which court the appeal against mutation may be filed? Answer is Assistant Commissioner Ajus. By whom Abtadai tasdeeq of register haqdaran ज़मीन is carried out? Answer is Patwari. Further others to be sanctioned by additional district collector. Answer. In which court the appeal against consolidation scheme may be filed? Answer is Additional Commissioner Consolidation DJOs. Upon whom it be obligatory to carry out 100% inspection partial of Girdavari? Answer is Sejos Patwari. What is the limitation of appeal to Board of Revenue Punjab Land and Revenue Act 1967? Answer is Sejos 60 days. A person of whom the land revenue of any land has been assigned in whole or in a part by the government is village headman. Sawal number 52. When Punjab Tenancy Act was enacted, 23/9/1887, a tenant having a right of occupancy in land may sublet a land or any part thereof for a term not exceeding. Answer is C. 5 years. Under which para land revenue record manual summary inquiry into the title of inheritance is necessary. Answer is Ajus para 7.36. Under which power of land record manual duplicate copy of the mutation would be prepared when the original has been misplaced or lost. Ages para 740. Under which para of land record manual revenue officer is responsible for correction of field map? Answer is Ages para 312. Which para land record manual guides with regard preparation of Tatimma Shajara? Para 433. Bijus. On which date is inspection of Kharif harvest should be in? Answer is Dijus 1 October. On which date is inspection of Rabi harvest should begin? Answer is Ajus 1st March. Register Akdaran Nakhlistan is included in the record of rights. Ajus. Statement of custom Wajibul Arz is included in the Bijus register Taksim cost. Statement of right in well and tube well is included in the Sejus register Roznamcha. Index of survey khasra number is included in answer is Sejus register periodical record. Under which section of Punjab Land Revenue Act 1967 revenue officer may summon by the person give evidence and produce documents? Age 22. Under which section of Punjab Land Revenue Act 1967 the computerized record shall be prepared? B. Juz 41. A. What is the limitation of appeal to the collector under Punjab Land Revenue Act 1967? Answer is B. Juz 30 days. What is the limitation of appeal to the Act 1967 Commissioner under Punjab Land Revenue? Answer is C. D. Juz 60 days. Under which section of Punjab Land Revenue Act 1967 Board of Revenue may make cities for demarcation of boundaries and creation of boundary makes? Answer is Ajus 121. Power to deposit rent in the certain cases with a revenue officer. Bar of relief was sued under section 19. Answer is Act 1 of 1877. The word with the previous sanction of the Governor General in the Council deleted by the Punjab courts. Answer. Which has law abolished Land Revenue Act in the province of Punjab? Answer is Ajus, the Punjab Land Revenue Act 1998. Objection against the acquisition of land shall be made to in writing. Answer is Bijus collector. Who is the competent to give final decision on the objection against acquisition of land? Answer is commissioner. The types of revenue officer are 5. What are the period of limitation and appeal before a board of revenue? 90 days. What is the period of limitation on appeal before collector? 30 days. What is the period of limitation and appeal before the commissioner? 60 days. The Land Revenue Act in force on 7 December 1967. The income a nation collect from the taxes is called revenue. Hereditary Lambadari system was abolished by Supreme Court of Pakistan. The assessment of land revenue remained in the force for 25 years. The deputy of tehsildar is known as naib tehsildar. When the Land Acquisition Act came into force 1st March 1894, the land which is irrigated from water of well is called chahi. When the period of Kharif crop starts in Pakistan, May and June. Answer. The period of Rabi crop starts in Pakistan in the month of October and November. When the period of Kharif crops end in Pakistan, September and October. Period of Rabi crops end in April and May. Answer. Kharif is also known autumn harvest. Question number 91. Rabi is also known as spring harvest. Question number 92. The first 6 monthly inspection of crops in the month of October is called Kharif Girdawari. The second inspection of crops in the month of February is called Rabi Girdawari. Lambardar is the most important functionary at level. Answer is Siju's village. Lambardar is given 5% of land revenue which is called Pachutra. Revenue administration of a tehsil is entrusted to tehsildar. Answer is Bijos. 97. The register of crop inspection is called Khasra Girdawari. 98. The unirrigated land which depend on rainfall for cultivation is called Barani. Answer is Sejos. The unirrigated land which are affected by flooding or moisture of river are called Selabi. Answer is Ajus. Last question है जी. The land which is irrigated from the tanks, hills, streams or spring is called. Answer is Bejos Abi.